Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Triumph and I'm here in the warehouse looking around to see what items are back in stock for your classic Triumph motorcycles. So let's take a look and see what I found. Firstly this week, part number 571450, that's the outer gearbox cover for the Triumph 3TA 5TA T100. This is brand new stock and there is only one available and you can get that right now for £71.94 including VAT. We've got the wiring harness for the Triumph T140V, that's part number 191962, and that is £145.58 including VAT. And finally, the rubber instrument cup, that's part number 602600, is £11.28 including VAT. And as usual, if there's anything I've not mentioned this week but you'd like to know if that item's in stock, you can check out the Andover Triumph website. It's linked in the section below. Right, until next week, as always, safe riding.